Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have another earwax extraction video for you. So we've got some quite deep-seated earwax, looks lovely and soft but completely blocking the ear canal there. So we're going to use a little bit of suction to get this out. So going in with a standard size ulna, just trying to get a grip on this wax. There we are, just looking for a leading edge that we can get a grip on. There you go, you just start to see it moving a little bit. So this patient really had been suffering with a lot of hearing loss, a bit of discomfort as well, just because this is sitting quite deep in the ear canal. So just manoeuvring this large chunk of wax out of the canal. There we go, here it comes. And what you can see sitting behind that wax is a long strip of old dead skin. There it is, which has been sitting just behind this lump. So as we're pulling it, here it comes. We're trying to get a grip on the back end of it there, really just sort of lifting it up. Trying to tease this skin out of the canal. There we go, it's just broken off. So we're just going to go in and get the next section. You can see that there, just trying to wiggle this bit of the old dead skin out. There we are, just see where that tore away there. Just got a couple of little bits of skin just hanging on. You can see this is obviously where it detached from the canal wall there. So we just need to try and take this off at source if we can. There we go, it's gone. When we take a look at the eardrum, there we are. There's the eardrum. So this is the piece we took away. You can see that long trail of skin sitting behind it. So there you go. Well, thank you very much for watching again today, guys. If you'd like the videos, then please like, share, subscribe. And as always, guys, take care.